Yeah, I got it.
That game that you told me to get.
That's legal dog.
I got that game that you told me to get, but it was kind of trash. It's just like GTA. How much did this cost?
I got it. I don't know how.
But I got a cool picture.
This bitch probably got some food with him eating on the plate. I think he probably got a fat piece of steak just sitting on the plate with his face like this on it.
Did you get rid of poor Mitras? Open his.
You already opened it.
No, it's only fun. That way you won't be rocking. People don't like shaky.
I mean, I'm not gonna finish it.
Hey, video.
He said, "Hey, video, hey, feature." Okay. So you still want me to open this box, right?
Thank y'all. Go ahead, do the recording.
Open his box.
Can barely see him. Too much sunlight. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Yeah, ready.
Block the light.
It ain't black and white.
Ooh. Y'all want me to open this?
Press on flash. Okay, ready?
So y'all want me to open this part? This.
What is it, Mitras?
It's like I'm confused. Like, oh, it's
Okay, get you a dog treat.
what? You supposed to eat it for real?
Yeah, it's for people.
It's for people.
Yeah, try it.
You can eat this.
Duh.
Do I eat a bite?
Duh, you can eat it. It's for
Let me
humans.
explore a little bit more stuff.
Now, them the best.
Yep, yum in the oven. Like doggy treats. Like doggy.
It's not doggy
What flavor that
treats.
is? What flavor that candy is?
Caramel. Hold on. C-R-A. Cranberry and oh wait.
Try that one. That might be better.
Try that. Oh, is it? Oh, I see. I see the box is the oven.
Yeah, that was kind of good.
Wait, do I supposed to open it from? Oh, it's supposed to open like this. Yeah, there you go. My dog said gonna open it. I might as well go ahead and stick. What's up, D?
It look good.
Just eat it.
If you want to.
It tastes good.
I don't believe y'all. I think y'all trying to get me.
No, we're not trying to get you.
What flavor is it?
Come on, just try one, man. It's gonna be good.
It's a stain.
It's good.
It's from China.
Ew.
This is no move real. Oh my god.
Ew.
Ew.
Oh,
Ew, Mitras.
It tastes good.
shit, don't leave me
Let me smell
alone.
it. Let me smell it.
Try one. It's nutritious.
You like it, Christmas?
Oh, he doesn't.
Just like,
Oh,
look,
dang.
feel like rubber on the tip of my tongue.
Do it taste like cranberry?
No.
So why they say it
Nothing
taste
like
like
cranberry.
cranberry?
Nothing like cranberry.
They trick.
Might need a drink or something. It ain't so tasty. I can see how dogs eat this. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, we got a this. Okay.
Oh, look
Oh,
at
we
this.
probably got bacon.
Oh, now this
Hold on,
is
back
good.
up,
I
lady.
want to try that.
To the camera.
Oh, what it say?
Apple cider donut.
Apple cider donut. Nigga, wait your turn.
They really donut?
I'm not, I'll just keep it in my hands.
Oh,
You
Just-
like donut?
Yeah.
Let's try a piece of these things. Just, yeah. So.
You think you think Miley will like her Christmas gift?
Oh! Why you making me try it?
Oh, these smell good. He didn't want to try one, but it's dog food.
Is it good, baby?
Man, it smells good though. Smell it. Oh, it smells just like apples. It smells good. It makes you want to eat it.
I ate dog food. Bye. It's your boy Xavier Mott.
Okay. But how much popcorn cost? $3 at the movie? Yeah, it do cost $3 at the movie. So 3 more
I should probably want to drink. I should feel like a wolf.
How you gonna carry all this?
That nigga be in there like this.
You know?
Oh yeah, they will let you go in there with no
I'm gonna
nigga be like, hey bitch, I'm gonna be in that jet like this. Thinking like, hey sorry, I'm gonna get you to stop for a minute.
I'm gonna be like this. I'm not stomach hurt. Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, right. Yeah, already.
My stomach hurt. Can I go to the
John, the bathroom, you can't go in the bathroom because the bathroom right there where they be at. You know what I'm talking about?
So you can get through my thing. So get.
Hey, I be saucing, you already know. See, I'm trying to get a perspective too, you know what I'm talking about? For real? Probably the shoes, let me just like.
This is the most candy I got in.
What about now? I'm just playing, nah. That ain't gonna even work. God, dang, they showing?
I get salty.
This ain't gonna take me no time to eat that bit.
What he did?
DJ right here. Oh, you right, let's go.
You told her not to see.
Oh yeah, my bad. Ain't even. I'm tripping. Boy, hey, if Shanti look on the channel, you see, if Shanti look on the channel and see we posted this, boy, she gonna be pissed, boy. She sure will. But she sees us getting this candy, her mouth gonna be water.
She wants to spend time with her mama.
I think so, I don't know, cause like, what was that? Oh, that was your food, I ain't know what that was. Deshaun, come back around here.
Alright, how much you got? That's all I need, so I ain't
Do the crazy legs.
I don't know what he's doing.
Nigga better step into them big old pants.
Look at your shoes. And taking them off and carrying your shoes in there.
Hey, y'all ready? Yeah, I'm putting subtitles in this. This is my perspective. I'm putting some subtitles. God dang. I'm about to go ahead. Come on, Sean. Yep. What's wrong with you? Oh, you for real? I'm about to go ahead and dip to the register too.
I don't know what they're doing.
I think this would be fun.
I ain't carrying so much. Okay, none of this stuff.
I should like either. They can go down like this. God damn.
Some of what I'm saying.
Oh.
Because the popcorn costs $3.
You know, save all that in the trip. It's gonna melt
That nigga gonna have a heart attack trying to get out of here. I didn't go out that still face. Look at that still face. Oh, this ain't gonna take me long to edit too, boy. You know, I got that can mouse, you know what I'm saying, with no watermark or nothing. So I'm just zip. Whoop.
Don't have watermarks on it?
Nope. That's on Glad. No, I got a hack one. I had downloaded. I'm glad I got the hack was bogus. You know.
How you get out?
I just like had. I just typed it up. Some of them you gotta watch out for because they be trying to put some yeah. That's why I was like I put Ken Master mod and something. Then I scrolled down. It said no viruses or nothing. So you know, because I ain't trying to have no virus on my phone.
Yeah.
And you see stuff popping up, just like ads out coming out of nowhere. And so I just installed it. Well, I looked on Google and installed it.
I want a slushie.
God dang!
They do. They got slushies.
How much of the bet they don't got
This
slushies?
slush with all this candy you done got.
Nigga, you gonna die trying to eat all this? Nigga go have kidney stones.
Just like this.
Bro, you stepping on my kicks, bro. Stepping on my kicks, bro. This feel like a vlog, what I'm doing. I ain't never did a vlog before. Well, I actually did. I just never posted on YouTube. This might be a... Oh, I got that too, sweet. There's gonna be a long vlog. And then I'm gonna have a post where I ate dog food. So that's probably what's gonna bring some viewers, you know. And plus I'm putting subtitles. I'm putting like each person that talk. There's a lot of editing when you that just had my fingers hurting. You know what we did out there too in Florida, the one I did, that just had my fingers hurting.
Just not put it back. I'm gonna play it. Oh, you might want to check those.
Hey.
Oh, is that all? Alright.
What? Are you seeing that? Bird! Oh. Oh, I get that bag. I want to get that bag, you know what I'm saying? Cause nobody got to care but me. You know, I want the snacks, you know what I'm saying? They shall all hold the snacks. You just wait. And then go check both of us trying to get the dang bag. Hey, appreciate it, son.
Appreciate it.
I thought it was a real dog standing over for real. I was like, can we have it?
You supposed to open the door for all ladies.
Plus me.
That's not okay.
Hey, son, where you gonna put this boy? You got to get like one piece of candy and then
God dang, that's a big truck. That thing came around the corner like it was a scary movie.
Some might think you didn't know either.
He's just like, I swear.
No, we gotta get in the car to put it in.
It's in between your butt cheeks, man.
The only place he got that.
you know it's gonna melt in there.
Bro, I'm gonna my drawing like it ain't nothing. I'm be walking with a limp. Looks fine. Boy, it's gonna be crazy because I mean, people in there trying to watch movies, all you hear is scary people rambling all over the place. You gonna sound like you in there checking out. You can just run with people. Ooh, I remember one time I seen the video, a nigga eating fried chicken in there.
We're gonna distribute the candy.
Let's get it.
I'm gonna open my pockets up.
Get in the truck and do it.
No, open it right here. Who's gonna hold my $5?
Not me. They.